This is the third video in section 8.3. In the last video, if you didn't watch it, please go back and do so because we talked about how to find the median. So if the data number or the data values n is odd, we take n divided by 2 and that will give me the position in which the median is located. But remember, we have to round up to the next whole number. So n divided by 2, round up to the next whole number. And then if the data set is even, we need the middlemost 2. So we're still going to find the first value by taking n divided by 2. So we'll find that position, and then we're going to take the next position up from it. And then what we're going to do is add those two values in the position and divide by 2. So let's look at the next question. If we have 85 data items, where is the median? Okay, 85 is odd. So I'm going to take 85, which is n, divide it by 2. Okay, so if I do that in my calculator, 85 divided by 2 equals 42.5. I'm going to round up to the next data value, which is 43. So that number will occur in the 43rd position. If we have 240 data items, where is the median? What is the position of the median? Okay, so 240 is an even number. So I'm going to take n divided by 2, or 240 divided by 2, which is 120. So the 120th position is the first number I need, and the second number is going to be 121st position. To find the mean, we're going to have to add the 120th position plus the 121st position. I should say the numbers in these positions, right? And then we're going to divide those values by 2. And I meant to put 2 down there. So let me fix that. Okay, so just really quickly, if you have an even number, you need the middlemost 2. So in this case, it was the 120th position and the 121st position. I'm going to add those two up, divide by 2, and that'll give me the actual mean. Okay. All right, so let's look at this next one. Find the median salary for a small company with the following salaries. All right, so we've seen this table before in the last section. We have a frequency table, and the total frequency I found by adding the number of employees. So 2 plus 5 plus 4 plus 1. And we did this before because we got 5 plus 7, which equals 12. Okay, so 12 is an even number. So I'm going to take n divided by 2, or 12 divided by 2, which is 6. So the 6th position is one we're going to look at. Because we're looking at even, we also need the next one up, which is the 7th position. So let's find out where that is. Okay, so I start out with 2, and then 2 plus 5 will be 7 when I add these two together. Okay, the 6th and 7th position fall in this bracket here. So it falls here. Okay, so the 6th position is 30,000. And the 7th position number is also 30,000. And I'm going to divide that by 2. Because remember, I have to find the mean. So 30,000 plus 30,000 is 60,000. Divided by 2, you get 30,000, which makes sense. Okay? All right. So let's look at this next one. We asked students how many classes they were taking. Find the median number of classes being taken. Okay, the frequency is in this second row. So I'm going to have to find the total frequency first. Okay, so I have 100. So this is n. N equals 100 plus 200 plus 600 plus 550 plus 110 plus 65 plus 42. So let's go ahead and add that up. Okay, so I'm just making sure I entered everything in okay. And it looks good. So this is 1,667. That's N. Okay. Find the median number of classes taken. 1,667 is an odd number. Okay, so I'm going to take 1,667 divided by 2. And when I do that, I get 833.5. Now I have to round up. So I need the 834th position. So what data value falls there? That's what we need to find out. Okay. All right. So if I look at 100 and 200, I get up to 300 for this right here. Okay. And I'm going to erase that. It looks really sloppy, so I'll fix that up. Okay. So we're at 300. And then 300, 600, I'm at 900. Still too small. 900 and 550 gets me up to 1450. Still too small because we need the, or actually that's too big. Sorry, I was looking at something else. This is what we need. So I need the third value, like right here, right? Because this is from 300 to 900, and 834 falls in between those. So if I look at that, I see that the number of classes being taken is 5. So the median would be 5 classes of the students surveyed for this. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and stop here because we'll start fresh with mode. So this is I'm going to pick up at part 4. Thank you for watching part 3.